No planned obsolescence, right to repair, easy to work on, easy to operate, into a pickup. So if you got a classic old square body Chevy, an old OBS Ford, tired of the fuel mileage, you want to keep it on the road a few more years, we'll take this same thing we've done with the semi-trucks, bringing it into the pickup world. The idea is to keep these old pickup trucks on the road as long as possible.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Parts Talk. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate each and every one of you. Now, in the world of engineering, there's a timeless craft that goes beyond just fixing machines and vehicles. It's about adapting, innovating, and retrofitting to benefit today's society. This is the world of mechanics. Mechanics have been the backbone of transportation since the early days of automobiles. From the Model Ts to modern SUVs, they've kept us moving forward. But in today's rapidly changing world, the role of mechanics is evolving. Now, with the push for electrification, old vehicles are being retrofitted with electric components to meet modern needs. Now, today we introduce to you a garage, Edison Garage, to be named, a dynamic and very innovative company out of British Columbia. Take a quick look at this feature.
Built the world's first diesel-electric semi-truck, and you guys have been asking, when can I get a pickup version? Well, I'm pleased to announce that we're going to be doing a pickup version done the same way as our semi-truck, available for a pickup. We've had a lot of success with our design ethos on the semi-truck retrofits, where you can take your old semi-truck, change it up, retrofit it into electric. We want to bring that same level of ethos. No planned obsolescence, right to repair, easy to work on, easy to operate, into a pickup. So if you got a classic old square body Chevy, an old OBS Ford, tired of the fuel mileage, you want to keep it on the road a few more years, we'll take this same thing we've done with the semi-trucks, bringing it into the pickup world. The idea is to keep these old pickup trucks on the road as long as possible. Get more power while burning less fuel. So you got a diesel generator running at 1 constant RPM. The batteries here provide peak load demand. The electric axles back here provide an insane amount of torque. Here's how a retrofit kit works. We remove the old axles and we put in the Edison E-axles. We drop the driveline and transmission and put a generator on it. Then we put batteries, an inverter, and control unit. In the semi-truck, we put it in a headache rack. In the pickup truck, I want to put it into an easy drop-in toolbox into the...
Well, hopefully YouTube doesn't ding me for the music in the background, but retrofitting allows us to breathe new life into old vehicles, and that's exactly what he's doing right here, making them more efficient and environmentally friendly. And it's about preserving history while embracing the future, something that our politicians need to learn. Retrofitting gives these classics a new lease on life. But why retrofit instead of buying new from factory? For one, it's more sustainable, and retrofitting reduces waste by giving old vehicles a second chance. Let's continue.
The bed of the truck. We're already doing semi-trucks, so here's the plan on how we're going to integrate pickup trucks. We want to set up a dealership service network where we can make an easy-to-install kit that we can send off to certified Edison installers that can install it in your pickup. We're going to focus on building the semi-trucks. We're going to develop a pickup truck kit, and then we're going to work with a series of certified Edison Motors installers. We can ship the kit to them. You bring your pickup truck to a certified Edison installer. They install it for you. Drive away. Done. Here's how we want to do it for our supporters. Those that support us, definitely going to get some merch. Those that sign up to reserve a truck are the ones that saying, yes, this is a great idea. I want one of these trucks. You sign up, reserve a truck in production. We're going to make sure you're one of the first people to get it based on the order to sign up. And those that want to support the product and say, hey, I want to be a distributor, I want to be a dealer for the Edison Motors kits, they sign up below. We're going to enter them, and we're going to be the first ones to offer them the training, the certification to go through it. Obviously, there's going to have to be a lot of training involved in that certification process, but those are going to be the first ones on the list to apply to be dealers. With your guys' help, I want to make the most practical electric pickup truck kit ever on the market. And I want to make sure we can keep these trucks on the road as long as possible.
It's arguable that it can be more cost effective. Retrofitting can be more affordable than buying a brand new electric car. And let's not forget the craftsmanship that is involved. Each retrofit project is a labor of love, combining skill, creativity, and ingenuity. Because men who work with their hands are always thinking. But if you want to be on the side of making money, here's another fix to cash in on when the EVs will dominate our streets. Let's feature this one.
Don't go out and spend 10K. Do it the right way. This is how you build your own mobile EV charger. Step 1. Technically, you should mount your wall connector to the generator. I'm going to cover that in a separate video, but right now let's get into the wiring of it. Tesla has easy wiring instructions. Lucky for you, I did it for you. Following Tesla's instructions, this is how it should look. The neutral is not used, so we coiled it up and set it aside, installed the strain relief in the bottom of the box, and then ran on down and came in the bottom of the panel. Now coming into the bottom of the panel, we took a step bit, ran it down through one of the vent holes, opened it up, installed another strain relief. Again, the white neutral not used, coiled up, set aside. From there, we terminated the ground down here to the chassis ground on the panel, installed the red leg on the red leg output of the breaker, installed the black leg on the black leg output of the breaker. Now, if you intend to hardwire it like we did here, you're gonna need to buy a 60 amp breaker because we intend to run 48 amps on the output of the wall connector. But if you wanna keep it simple, buy the Westinghouse generator, the Tesla wall connector, a NEMA 1450 plug it in the front of the panel, and you're ready to charge.
And that allocates to just $3,500 plus your pickup truck costs as well. Always stay one step ahead of today's lazy politicians. That's what I call them. They just put band-aids on things and then try to move on and turn a blind eye instead of trying to look at the issues at hand. So as we look to the future of transportation, let's not forget the role of mechanics and engineers in shaping it. From the Model T to the electric car revolution, engineers retrofitting to benefit society will always be at the heart of progress. What else can you add? Let me know in your comments below. Remember to grab a copy of my ebook, The Parts Manager Guide. Please smash that like button on your way out. It will only take you 1.5 seconds to do so. Until next time.